Eating with Brad by my side. Today is Wednesday, 25 June 2025. I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle. This is Brad Pitt by my side. And I got rice checks, 2% milk, and my sweetener packet. I'm doing pink in honor of kind of the overarching pink hue. This is a screen grab of a interview by Sky Sports of my Brad. I'm being possessive. I'm claiming him as mine. I had gone through my life watching Brad Pitt. So I was born approximately 1993 and he was born approximately 1963. So he's about 30 years older than me. And I've gone through life watching Brad Pitt. And he's some of the there's some guys who are they're oh, he's so attractive, and yeah, the press and stuff. And I'm just yeah, or I really hate the person. And Brad Pitt was one where I was I don't agree. And then I saw him, I saw YouTube videos of him at this premiere, and I was oh my gosh, he's so good looking. I want him. He's mine. Can I have him? I want him. And so this is that look that I'm referring to about. He's so good looking. And so this is I did a movie notes on the F1, the movie world premiere. And so this is part of the red carpet for that world premiere. And yeah, so this is essentially, he's that good looking. This right here is my Brad Pitt taste. He looks really good. I think he's one of those. He's my guy now. So using that classification, he's one of my guys where I find his voice very appealing. And it's natural, non-tampered with state. So it's a way of saying people might view him as eye candy. I view him, perhaps not view him, hear him as ear candy. And then in this particular screen grab, Tim Cook, CEO of Apple, and F1 the movie, the 2025 film, for which this is a world premiere. Was a world premiere. Is an Apple original movie. And I was I'm asexual, and if my Brad is asexual, could it be revolutionary in the sexual orientation category? Oh, there we go. Is it the my covering it in this capacity that makes it so if it's that trio? I'm part of the trio, this trio. So something is beyond a price, it's priceless. Ratingless. It was really good today. There we go. Thank you for joining Brad and Tanis and Brad.